this might be a box. That didn't end too well. First interesting find of the day. We seem to have a German mess tin. Let's get it out. Yes, that's what it is. Could be something inside. I'll open it later. There we have another lid to a German mess tin, late war, made out of iron. And some more stuff. That is very interesting. And some bones started appearing. Now I really have to make sure that those are no human bones. Oh, here, some more bones. Fortunately, those are no human bones, so I highly assume they were only making a short break here and resupplying. Wow, that actually is a huge amount of German mess kits. The hold is completely empty now, and look at the result. In addition, there was a single German drinking canteen made out of aluminum and a lot of bones. I think those bones might be from a horse. So this is likely a place where German troops were supplied in the last days of the war. Wow, 20 meters further I have a foxhole here. It's a bit hard to see. And a very unexpected find. We have the remains of a Hitler Youth knife. Very bad condition. The grip scales are missing, but that definitely is what remains of a Hitler Youth knife. But what? Oh! Look at that! I think we might have a pouch belonging to a dog tag. Let's try and open it carefully. There is nothing inside. Now I definitely will have a closer look at the surrounding here. Pair of German dust goggles, oftentimes used by the so-called Gradmelder, the motorcyclists in the Wehrmacht. That didn't end too well. There was already a pre-existing fracture, and I think I might have hit the tree too hard accidentally, so it broke. But luckily I always carry spare coil with me, so I can continue detecting at least. There is the foxhole with the leather pouch and the Hitler Youth knife. And another signal. Some leather started appearing, together with a red piece of wire. Interesting. Oh, there is something made out of iron? Look at that! It is a K98 bayonet. And there is some cloth wrapped around it with a uniform button attached to it. Some more pieces of the uniform, but there are no more traces of metal finds in the hole. I really wonder where this uniform belonged to. Maybe something civilian? A butcher's knife out of this foxhole here, which also fits the scenario that the soldiers were preparing some meat here and eating it. This soil here is rock hard. You see this rim? There we go. Beautiful condition considering these pieces are not made out of aluminum. We have a massive iron signal. And I think this might be a box. Let's try and get it out. Oh man, what is this? It is a box. This is a plug on top of it, so maybe we have some sort of an electrical device here. Pretty heavy, 2 to 3 kilograms if I had to guess. If you know, please let me know in the comments down below. The hole still has something for us. It is a second box, but it seems to be the same one. These foxholes here really are fascinating. Now I've reached the bottom of another foxhole. There is the object. It is another German mess tin lid. I already stopped counting them. And another drinking canteen. German one. They have even camouflaged the cloth which is surrounding the drinking canteen. Container for soap made out of Bakelite. All of the positions over there. And here, right on this path, I have a lot of signals. 2 of them already turned out to be Wehrmacht buttons. Buttons everywhere, but nothing else in between. And finally, after a lot of pieces of equipment, I do think we have a badge of some sort. No idea what it is. Let's see. Completely encrusted so far. This is a membership badge for female members of the Reichsarbeitsdienst, the German labor service.